Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Sealed IAS. So, we'll continue our discussion of previous year question. This is the last video of geography and environment question discussion. In first two video, we have already done 20 questions from both the section, and the remaining question of geography and environment portion will be discussing in this video. So, the first question says that with reference to water credit, consider the following statements. Statement 1 says that it put microfinance tools to work in the water and sanitation sector. Second statement says that it is a globally initiative launched under the aegis of WHO and World Bank. So just you can apply your concept here, how WHO and World Bank can together launch the program of water credit. This statement is incorrect. Why? There is an organization called water.org, and this water.org, it is a globally non-profit organization which works to bringing safe water and sanitation to the world. So this is the incorrect. And the third statement says that it aims to enable poor people to meet their water needs without depending on subsidies. Here this statement is correct. This water.org, which is globally non-profit organization, help the poor people to access safe water and sanitation throughout the world. So here 2 is eliminated. So we can eliminate A, B and D. So only one option remaining, that is 1 and 3 are correct. With next, R2 code practices. Constitute a tool available for promoting the adaptation of. So this R2 code of practices, it is developed to prevent the misuse of improper recycling of electronic waste. And for that, there is an organization called SERI, Sustainable Electronic Recycling Institute. It is an international institute which set a standard how to use electronic waste in a proper manner so that it will not get harm to the people. So here the correct answer is environmentally responsible practices in electronic recycling industries. That is A is the correct answer. Next question. Why is there a concern about copper smelting plants? First statement, there may be release lethal quantities of carbon monoxide into the environment. Second statement, the copper slagging can cause leaching of some heavy metals into the environment. Here this statement is correct. In copper slagging, it's release high toxic pollutant like lead, arsenic, etc. So 2 is correct. So we can eliminate C. Third statement is also correct. They may release sulfur dioxide as a pollutant. Now read the statement 1 first. There may release lethal quantity. So in copper smelting, carbon combust with oxygen and produce carbon monoxide. And further, this carbon monoxide, when it reacts with the ore, it releases carbon dioxide, not lethal quantities. So we can eliminate option 1. So if 1 is eliminated, A is eliminated, C has already eliminated, and D eliminated. Only B is correct answer. Now the next question is, with reference to furnace oil, consider the following statement. So furnace oil is the dark viscous residual fuel which is blending with the crude oil. So statement 1 says that it is a product of oil refineries. Yes, this is correct. Second statement, some industries use it to generate power. This is also correct. And its use causes sulfur emission into the environment. The last statement is also correct. So here 1, 2, 3, D is the correct answer. Now the next question, which one of the following is used in preparing a natural mosquito repellent? Here we have 4 grass, that is congress grass, elephant grass, lemongrass and nutgrass. So out of 4, lemongrass, it is a tall and hard grass. and it is abundantly found in the Africa and Asia subcontinent, especially in Asia. India and China produce maximum number of lemongrass, and this lemongrass further used in the preparing of natural mosquito repellent. So here the correct answer is C. Now move to the next question. Consider the following animals. Here we have three animals, and out of three, the question says that to reduce the chance of being captured by predators, which of the above organism rolls up and protect their vulnerable parts? So as we study in environment, hedgehog are small nocturnal mammals. So small natural mammals means they sleep in the daytime and active in the night time, and they roll up their body to protect from the predators. Pangolin also are mammals, and they have scales to protect their body from the predators. Marmot are large squirrel. So these are large squirrels, but they do not protect their body, and they do not roll up their body. So 2 eliminated, B incorrect, A incorrect, and 1, 3 are corrected. That is D is the correct answer. Question number 7 says that magnetite particles suspected to cause neurodegenerative problem are generated as environmental pollutants from which of the following? Here we have 5 options. So magnetite particles, they act as pollutants, and which further lead to the neurodegenerative problems. And these magnetic particles can easily penetrate in our body and damage the blood-brain barriers, and which further resulted into a disease called Alzheimer. And these magnetic particles used in all the motor vehicle parts, microwave also, power plant and telephone lines also. So here D is the correct answer. With this, next move to the next question. With reference to Indus River system, of the following 4 rivers, 3 of them pour into one of them, which join Indus direct. So in Indus River system, as we discussed in Indian geography, it rises in the Mansarovar Lake and flow in the northwest direction and enter into India, further move to Pakistan and ending with Arabian Sea. So this is Indus River. And when talk about tributary, northmost tributary is Jhelum. Then we have Chenab. So Jhelum River join in Chenab in the region called Jhang, and this Jhang is in Pakistan. Another river, so this is Jhelum, this is Chenab, Ravi join with Chenab. The region is known as Sarai Sidhu. And the last river, that is Satluj, join in Indus. This region is known as Mithankot. And further, this Chenab river join with the Indus. So can I say River Jhelum is a right bank tributary of River Chenab, and River Ravi is the left bank of a tributary, left bank tributary of River Chenab, and this Chenab, I can say it is also right bank tributary of River Satluj. So lastly, we can say Satluj collect all the water of River Jhelum, Chenab and Ravi and join with the Arabian Sea, Indus River in Mithankot. So the correct answer will be D, that is Satluj. Question number 9. With reference to India, Didwana, Kuchaman, Sargol and Khatu are the name of. So this is the part of Indian geography, And in Indian geography, we have discussed different type of plains. So in Rajasthan plains, we have discussed some saline lake. So Didwana and Kuchaman are in the district of Nagaur of Rajasthan, Nagaur district of Rajasthan, and they are saline lake. So D is the correct answer. Now move to the next question. Question number 10. In the context of Indian preparation for climate smart agriculture, consider the following statement. Statement 1. Climate smart village approach in India is part of project led by Climate Change Agriculture and Food Security and International Research Program. So this CCAFS, that is Climate Change Agriculture and Food Security, it started piloting the project called Climate Smart Village in the year 2012, and especially in Africa and Asia. And in Asia, especially in the country Bangladesh, India and Nepal. So this first statement is correct. Second statement, the project CCAFS, that is Climate Change Agriculture and Food Security, carried out under the consultative program on international agriculture research, which headquarter is France. This statement is also correct because the headquarter is in Montpellier in France. And the last, International Crop Research Institute for the Semi-Arid Tropic in India is one of the CGIAS Research Center. So this is also correct. It is a non-profit, non-political, public international organization which work in the development of agriculture research development. So all statements are correct. So D is the correct answer. With this, next move to the next question. Question number 11. Leaf litter decomposes faster than in any other biome, and as a result, the soil surface is often almost bare. So leaf litter means it is a dead decay plant. Dead decay part of plant. Apart from trees, the vegetation is largely composed of plant forms that reach up into canopy vigorously, and by climbing the tree or growing as epiphytes rooted on the upper branches of trees. And this is the most likely description of. Here we have 4 forests: coniferous, dry deciduous, mangrove forest and tropical rainforest. So if you say mangrove forest, they are associated with the intertidal zone, especially in the coastal area. Means it is a tidal zone, intertidal zone, the zone between the terrestrial ecosystem and the aquatic ecosystem. Dry deciduous forest, they are found in the south of Deccan Plateau. Here, this region is not favorable condition for the decompose faster. Coniferous forest, they are also found in the high latitude, especially in 50° north to 60° north. Again, this region is also not favorable condition for the decompose of plants, and the only one option remaining, that is tropical rainforest. So D is the correct answer. So this is how we have discussed all the geography and environment portion which was asked by UPSC in Prelims 2021. In next video, we'll be starting with another topic. Thank you so much.